So step number one is to create a money-making list. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I go about doing this, all right? All right, so first thing, when it comes to making a money-making list, what you wanna do is you wanna put what your product is, not the name of your product, okay? So what do I mean by that? So as you can see right here, what I did is I put product and then I put what the product is. Notice I didn't put the name of the product, but do keep that in your mind so you know what that product offers, because some video editors are different, okay? Well, or whatever product that you have, it's gonna be different than another competitor, okay? So just keep that in mind. All right, so now the next thing, once I get the product, now I'm gonna write down all the features of the product. So a video editor falls under video editing, right? So that could be basically a feature or something that I can use, because this is gonna be important for these next couple of steps that I'm gonna be laying out for you, all right? Also, there's video podcasting now. There's transcriptions when it comes to videos. There's screen recording, remote recording, subtitles. And what I would recommend you do is really understand your product. Like, what is your product? And you should already really know the things that your product does because you're using it already. This is why I recommend, like, when you promoting something, make sure that you actually know what's going on in the background, right? So if people got questions, then they can ask you and you'll like shoot it right out because you already used the thing, all right? All right, so now we got our product features. Now we need to do another list, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and go down here and we're gonna go to money making list number 2. So now we're gonna take all of those features that we just had and we're gonna look at what problem is being solved for the consumer. Like, what is that problem that's being solved? So let's take screen recording, for example. If a person is doing tutorials or they teaching people or doing some type of presentation or whatever it is, that person needs a way to share their screen, right? Especially if they're doing like, Zoom or they doing any of those type of things. They need a way to share their screen. So that's how screen recording solves their problem. They need a screen recorder. Okay, now let's look at subtitles. So when it comes to subtitles, right, they may want to add text on their screen. Well, if they don't have an editor that allows them to do that, then they can't do it, right? So all you're really doing is, first money making list is you write down what the product is, not the name, and then you write down the features, and then what you do from there is you then break it down to money making list number 2, which is you define what problems it solves, all right? So now we're gonna move on to step number 2, which is extremely important. Okay, so with step number 2, we're gonna be doing a demand check. So a demand check, we're gonna be using a keyword research tool to do this because we need to see what is the data based on all of these features, right? So what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna go back over here and then I'm gonna copy all of these features. And then I'm gonna go ahead and paste these over into this particular tool, which is called Google Keyword Planner. So I'm gonna click this, I'm gonna paste in here, boom. So there's all the features. Then I'm gonna hit get results. All right, so now you can see it says 2,914 of 2,915 keyword ideas. All right, so we can see video editing. It has average monthly searches 10,000 to 100,000, right? We got podcasting 1,000 to 10,000, transcription 10,000 to 100,000. And so on and so on, right? It's showing us all the analytics from what's been happening over the last couple of months on average, right? Which is good data. So now we know what the features brings in. Now what we need to do is we need to go down here and see if we see other features that maybe we didn't put in there, but we know that the affiliate product that we promoting actually does, all right? So that's what you want to do. You want to go through here and see, okay, is this it? Is that it? Whatever it is, right? Now, I want to show you how to individually take each feature and then start to craft out specific questions that people have. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back up here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna put, so you see how it says remote recording? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a how in front of that, right? So you wanna think about the main 3 words that start questions. So you got why, you got how, and then you got what, right? Those are the main 3 when we're talking about questions and you're trying to create some, some powerful content, all right? So I'm gonna put how, remote recording. Now that might not make sense, but what's gonna happen when I do that is it's gonna associate how with remote recording. It's gonna try to find everything it can. All right, so check this out. How to record a podcast remotely. That gets 100 to 1,000 searches per month. Now, you wouldn't have been able to find that if you just put in just the one word by itself. You have to associate it with a word that starts with a question. All right, so how to record a podcast remotely. So if my affiliate product allows people to do that, then I show people exactly how to do that in the video, and then I insert the affiliate product that I'm promoting in that video, and now I just provided them value, and they're more willing to go and use what it is that I recommended. So I think one was social clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and put social clips, and then we're gonna hit enter on that one, and let's see what pulls up for that one. Okay, so that one didn't work so much with social clips, so let's go back to what we got. So we got multi-track editing. All right, so let's go ahead and take multi-track editing, and we're gonna put that one up in there. So we're gonna put multi-track editing, and then we're gonna say how to this time instead of how. All right, so let's hit get results. Look at this. How to export multi-track Audition to MP3, how to record in multi-track. Now they're talking about Adobe Audition, but you wanna find ones that are a lot more broad in this case, so that way you can do what I call a product insertion. So you provide value on the front end, and then boom, you give them a solution to the question, and then now you can position your tool in there. All right, so let's look at this. So it says how to use multi-track. Okay, that's product specific. So that one doesn't really have much, but I'm sure if I go back, let me look at another one. I think that one will work even better. So if I do how to, and I do video editing, let's just see what pops up. Now I got to spell right. So if I put video editing, and then I hit how, and then I go on here, and let's just see what pulls up. Okay, so look at this. How to edit videos on an iPhone. So you can show people if your affiliate product, in this case, let's say I had a video editor that allowed me to use it on my phone, then I can show people this is how I do this on iPhone, right? And then I recommend my product. So as you can see, it's really simplified in what we're doing. We answering questions, right? So how to cut a video on my phone, how to use KineMaster, how to edit on CapCut. So you really just filling in whatever it is that you have based on questions that people have. And so this way it doesn't limit you by just going after the product name itself. The product name itself, I mean, that's cool, and that's something that I've done over the years, but for me, where I've seen more success is when I position a video that's just answering somebody's question, and then I insert whatever the product is that's going to be the solution to their problem. All right, so that has worked for me a whole lot better than just going straight for the product itself, because you're not going to really have that many people that just typing in that specific product. All right,